Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Before I start presenting, let me introduce myself first. My name is Nariska Alfiana from Management Transportation Program Study. In this very moment, I would like to present some materials related to India country. Let's start with India's history. India is a land of ancient civilizations. India's social, economic, and cultural configurations are the products of a long process of regional expansion. Indian history begins with the birth of the Indus Valley civilization and the coming of the Aryans. From the late 1980s, India opened itself to the outside world, encouraging economic reform and foreign investment, and is now courted by the world's leading economic and political powers and has made great strides in areas such as information technology. India has launched a space program and boasts a massive film industry, its Bollywood films being amongst the most watched in the world. Meanwhile, India still has major issues with poverty and illiteracy, but campaigns have been launched to alleviate these problems. Let's move on to the next point. Culture of India. Indian culture, often labeled as an amalgamation of several cultures, traverses the Indian subcontinent and is influenced by a history spanning several millennia. Below are some interesting examples about Indian culture. There is Holi Festival. Ritual calls for rain in the dry season by throwing color powder and water at each other. Sati, the tradition of self-immolation, a symbol of the wife's loyalty to her husband by sacrificing herself burned on the funeral pyre of her husband. Mahakumbh Mela, or bath for saints. Ritual bathing naked on the edge of the river Ganges for the remission of sins, which is performed at least once every 12 years. Let's move on to the next point, customs. Famous Indian custom there is Namaste. It is a word used for greeting people in India. It is the most common greeting among other greetings. This greeting is marked by gesture of placing both palms together and raising them below the face. Aarti. It is a devotion, love, or welcoming act. It is mainly performed when worshipping God. It's a circulated around a deity or person, and it's usually accompanied by singing songs. Prostrating before parents and elders. It is an act of respect. Young people bow down and touch the feet of the elders, parents, and teachers. In turn, the elder gives blessing by placing their hands on the head of the young. And there is another Indian customs, such as do not touch others on their head. Men should not attempt to shake hands with women, avoiding standing too close to others, give and receiving gift with both hands, and apologize if your feet or shoes touch another person. Well, now let's take a look at the next point. There is traditional food. Gujarat Dokla is a vegetarian made from a fermented butter of rice and split chickpeas. It is served as a snack with tangy chutneys. Masala dosa is a generic South Indian dish. The type of filling in masala dosa varies, but is usually a potato and onion curry dipped in chutney. Misal puff is a water-based curry preparation of cooked sprouted lentils, served with a puff and lemon wedges. Well, now let's take a look at the next point, clothing. Clothes in India depends on the climate, cultural traditions, and ethnicity of each region. Both male and female clothing has progressed from simple garments covering the body into intricate costumes used not only in daily wear but also on festive occasions, rituals, and dance performance. I really want to try to wear Indian woman dress, especially the sari, because it is modest and colorful dress. The next point is about tourist attractions in India. India, known for the vast number of tourist places across its expanse, has a mix of everything from culture to natural beauty and adventure activity to beautiful beach. So this is the best tourist place in India. There is the golden city of Jaisalmer. It's an oasis of splendid old architecture that rises from the sand dunes of the Thar Desert. The Taj Mahal Agra is a beautiful building finished in white marble. Is a perfect example of Mughal architecture, as are the Agra Fort, Akbar Tomb, and Fatehpur Sikri. Goa is white sand beach, palm trees, low tax rate, amazing coastal cuisine, and laid-back attitude make it a wonderful tourist place in India. The next point is about public figures. Priyanka Chopra Jonas is an Indian actress, model, film producer, and singer. The winner of the Miss World 2000 pageant, Chopra is one of India's highest paid and most popular entertainers. She has received numerous accolades, including 2 National Film Awards and 5 Filmfare Awards. The reason I idolize her is because she is a woman with courage, the risk taker, and a benchmark of glory. She is a life goal for everyone who wants to dream big and is willing to work hard enough to achieve it. I hope one day I can realize my dreams of going to India with the people I love and meeting my idol. In conclusion, India has now become one of the fastest growing economic countries in the world. And India is a country with rich culture and heritage and also known for its monuments and relics. I think that's all for today. I hope you find it useful and thank you and good morning everyone.